Hello everyone, welcome to ProCoach YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a very exciting news from Flutter team. Before that, first tell me who is designer and who is developer in this picture. Okay, so you may think this blue sitting girl is a designer and this green guy is a developer. Okay, you are actually right, but now there would be twist because you don't know if developer is doing a design or designer is doing a development thing. How? We'll show that. So we got an Adobe XD plugin for Flutter from Adobe XD team. Yeah, the designing company have gave us a plugin for Flutter. So now we can export our designs directly to Flutter. A designer can design their design in Adobe XD and they can push their code to Flutter and do a lot thing. So let's go to our announcement. So Team Smith has announced the Adobe XD support for Flutter on May 13. In Flutter Interact, the XG team has told us like they are building some this plugin for Flutter, and they invited a whole lot of people for their experimenting thing. And today they have released uh, a version, we can say a stable version for this plugin. So if you can see this, so we have this plugin here and we have option of export widget, export all widgets, and this is the whole screen. Okay, which we will export. So it's simple, just export your something, and yeah, the most important thing is this Adobe XD package. So if you go to their GitHub repository, so we get to know two things: Adobe XD and SRC packages. So Adobe XD is for Flutter. We have to install, we have to add this in our pubsec.yml. So it is actually, it is not very useful, but sometimes Adobe XD needs this plugin to generate some extra things on it. Okay. So if you go inside this SRC folder, you will see the whole lot things are made in JavaScript. So we can say the core of, or we can say the heart of, or the this plugin is actually a JavaScript, and that is great. Okay, so let's see an example how we can actually generate the code. I have already generated this code, so let me delete this lib folder. Okay, I'm deleting this lib folder, so now I don't have any lib folder here. Okay, and for instance, just add Adobe XD in your pubsec YML and do a pubget. So and make sure that it is installed in your this project. I've got this design financial UI kit for Adobe XD from the UI store.design, and it is free to use. So I have downloaded it, and it is already open in my Adobe XD. And if you go down to plugins, so I have plugin with me which is XD2 Flutter plugin. Okay, now what we will do, we'll select all this design. Okay, and do export all widgets from XD to Flutter. So if you are you will be prompted for to specify the path for all these exports. I have actually given that, that's why they didn't ask me. But if you can see here, I got lib folder with lots of dart files, and these dart files are actually screens from this design. Okay, so my first design screen is, or we can say our screen is screen welcome. Let's see if we have screen welcome. Yeah, we have screen welcome. Okay, next is analytics screen, sign up screen, and sign up screen 2. So sign up screen and sign up screen 2 and analytics screen. Yeah, so we got actually the whole lot of screens which were designed in this, what to say, XD file. So first, okay, the very important thing to notice here is that we don't have any main file, or we don't have any void main function. Yeah, so right now I don't think Adobe XD is actually producing the void main file. So what we will do, we will we will make that by our own. So let's do it. The void main and it needs run app. Run app will take a my app or anything you can say. And my app will be stateless. My app, and it needs a material app. Perfect. And the home, in the home we will provide our first screen, and that is screen welcome. So its class name is screen welcome. We import it. Something well. What happened? Okay, there was some problem. Okay, this is what I was testing. So let's restart the whole screen. Till then we can go and see some codes in it. So you can see the it actually has scaffold and lots of stacks, container, transform, and I can see any other widget here. Transform, and stack, container. So actually it uses transform dot translate to, you know, to give position to all the widgets. For example, if it has to give this position to this button, create your account, so for that it uses transform to translate and offset. Okay, and it uses svg picture to actually give this svg pictures in our screen. I think our screen has loaded. Yeah, now what we just look at this. So this is our screen from Adobe XD, and this is our application on the right side. Can you see some differences into it? Almost no, except some things like this girl is actually moved here to here, and now she don't have any laptop. Okay, and the card and the movement of this card, except all these two things, everything is on their place. Everything is on their place. So this is the power of Adobe XD plugin. So now designer can actually develop this screen and show it to clients. So now they have the power of Flutter, and yeah, that's it. So this was the announcement from Adobe XD and Flutter team about their for this plugin, and this is very useful. And this is very amazing news for especially for me. And yeah, that's it for this video, and make sure you subscribe this channel and like this video and share this video with your other friends. Yeah, and most importantly your designer friend. Okay, so this was your host Vivek Yadav. I am Flutter developer at Reserve and founder at StringsWayTech, where we are committed to build solutions in education field. I am organizer of Flutter India and Flutter Mumbai. I speak at different platforms too, and yeah, that's me. So thank you, and make sure you like this video and subscribe this channel for more updates. We are going to have a series on this Adobe XD, how we can actually master the Adobe XD plugin. Okay, so thank you. We'll see you in next video.